I'm gonna cut this little tree down. These need to be trimmed back. That's our property back there. My greenhouse. I definitely need to start putting some more stuff in here on a mission here. I saw a bird earlier that was just like completely unbothered by my little windmills. These are my Brussels sprouts, which are thriving. Look at them. Those are my beets. I need to put some mulch around those. This is my collards that are starting to come up. Barely. Can you see that? So this is my fitness journey. I'm doing a 30-day jump rope challenge through Facebook. And current weight is 176. And we're just gonna see how this goes. See who can jump to 30 the fastest.
The fastest?
Yeah.
Alright. Even when you mess up?
Yeah, you just gotta get to 30.
Alright.
You count through. 1, 2, 3.
I beat you.
Brennan is harvesting some mint. I need to actually put some of that in the ground. It smells good. And then that's some cilantro. I need to really repot this because it's like going to seed.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's my lavender. My onions, those are going to seed. Like separate it and put some in the bed. That's my rosemary. This is my African daisy, I believe. And then I moved a flower over here because I had it hanging on the what do you call it, fence. A little fire pit. First scarecrow I ever made. Ooh, what's this? Oh, snaps. I don't know. Let me see. This is growing. It stormed really bad last night, so. Oh, crap. I can't even see what that was. I have to go back and try to remember. Oh well, but whatever it is, it's starting to grow. This is the bed that I want to put my herbs in. I need to put these strawberries actually in the ground. They're doing okay in containers, but they could be thriving more. 2 tomatoes. One I planted sideways just to see what will happen. The other I planted straight up. Some flowers. I have that other plant hanging on the wall like this. And I just put all these pinwheels to keep the birds out. So they're eating my worms, which is annoying. So we're gonna do these Georgia rattlesnake watermelon seeds. This is just my tool that I use to get the seeds going. But these are 90 days to harvest. Plant them about 1 inch deep and then 2 per group. Usually have to thin them out. I don't like thinning them out, so what I'll do is I'm just gonna make my circle bigger, and I use my shapes here, you can see, just so I know what I'm planting. So I'm gonna plant some corn. That's supposed to be a triangle. Corn, beans, which is a straight line, corn again, another line of beans, and then I'm gonna do my watermelon, which is in the circle, in the square. This is actually a rectangle. Pumpkin, and then pumpkin, and then again watermelon. And I did the zigzag just so I will know that I plan to plant some flowers or something there that'll be good for the soil. So these are what the seeds look like. If you have eaten a watermelon that's not from the grocery store, then you have experienced these seeds. They are great when you see seeds in your food, I think. I remember as a kid growing up, and we used to get so much fresh vegetables and stuff because there was a farmer's market in North Little Rock, and my grandmother knew a gentleman that was bring truckloads of watermelons and things like that for us to enjoy. And as a kid, that was like the best thing. Could just go outside, get you some watermelon, get you some cantaloupe, and just eat until you were stuffed. And you could experiment, you know, put a little bit of pepper or salt. I actually like salt on mine. Salt on your watermelon. I'm gonna barely cover that up. And what I usually do, I'm gonna put another little circle right here, because I'm gonna just come in, drop the seed in that hole, cover it up, and then I'll drop the seed here and just cover it up. I think that's actually an inch. There's a second spot. Nope, that's way too deep. That's about an inch. Drop that seed in there. Come about here on the outside of my circle. Drop that seed in there. And then let's be adventurous. And drop that seed right there. And I'm gonna, oh, I could have done additional variety. Oh well. We'll work on planting some more in a few. Those are all the rattlesnake. Maybe we'll plant a different variety over here in this rectangle. Next, I'm gonna actually label these really quick. I purchased these labels off of Amazon. They were not very expensive. It's 100 pieces that come in the box, and it's a variety of colors. As you can see, if you have OCD, I'm really sorry. But I did dump this box out, which is why they are not color coordinated as they should be. But hey, that's something relaxing you can do on a rainy day, is organize these plant label stakes. And as I label this, what I do is I just take the type of fruit that it is, or vegetable if it's vegetable, not this one of course, but I'll take that and then the type, so Georgia rattlesnake. Oh, it's the 4th, so may the 4th be with you. And I'll just put a date on this, that way I can just kind of know when my crop is coming back, or up, not back. I'll label these seeds, and this is how I store these. When I'm not using them, I'll put them in a little Ziploc bag, but these are either from Walmart or Dollar General, and they're Connecticut field, so I'm gonna plant those in the squares. And on the back of each seed pack, if you're new to gardening, it tells you like how many days it takes to germinate, how deep to sow it, how to space the seeds, and then the row spacing is 8 feet apart. So, I'm just gonna have to do one. And actually, I'll plant this one in this rectangle since it's kind of like far away. Up there. Where are you? Right there. And I'll have to make room for more. I can definitely get more compost. We'll figure it out though.